The fuck? I don't give a fuck, man. I said what I said. This is the real world, bro. This is the real fucking world. And hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of the internet.
Feel like Pharrell in 07 on my shoes. Ice cream, make stars, stop them out. It's a man down. Baby Milo custom PC getting fanned out. Not from the block, I'm from the H and we don't play around. Catch him at a red light with a Nerf gun, we gon' spray him down.
Yes, sir.
Hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of the internet.
Today, we're looking at clowns. I bet the comments were like, I bet the comments was on his head. Staged.
This supermom saw the reflection of a falling book off the TV and saved her child from getting hit.
Holy shit! Addicted to your phone? Scan for help. Wait, can I really do this? Staged for clout. I'm doing it, chat. I'm doing it, chat. I just got a virus. It didn't work. It didn't work. Relax. Why? What happens if I do? Now I want to do it. I'm not doing it.
One of my subscribers recorded this video of a
$5. Dante, how you been? Hope you've been good lately. Also do it grip.
I've been great.
whale inhaling the bubbles coming out of a dolphin.
Yo, they're shotgunning.
The dolphin looks so happy.
They're literally shotgunning. 5 ads? Damn, how y'all get ads? Maybe because you were spamming cock in my chat, you dumb bozo.
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say puedes hacerme un sándwich? That means can you make me a sandwich in
Strudel!
A pack.
Strudel? That means can you make me a sandwich in
Strudel!
A package was stuck at a UPS shipping facility.
Imagine this is the reason why you can't get your package, bruh. Yo, my package is 8 weeks late. Where is it? Sir, you're not gonna believe this.
This person was trying to
Sir, you're not gonna believe this. Unfortunately, we cannot step on the conveyor belt, but we're hoping something
drive
happens.
with their front hood up.
What?
With their front hood up.
And he's looking under to drive. How's he not gotten pulled over?
Have you ever seen fireworks like this before? These fireworks can do loops in the sky.
Yeah, they did that on Harry Potter. It's not that cool. Fucking muggles. Fucking muggles.
About a week ago, New York City was hit by a tropical storm, and as a result, everyone's toilets started to overflow.
Oh my, ew! Ew, nobody want to see your toes, bruh.
This guy dug a hole in the sand so his pregnant partner could lie in her stomach. One of my subscribers really wanted everyone to see their pet praying mantis, so here you go. That's the end of this video.
Who
I
the
really hope you
fuck
enjoyed,
asked?
and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
That shit looked disgusting. I ain't gonna lie, man. Usually, like the green ones are cute, but that's just... That looks like it's, it looks like it's peeling. It's making me itch, bro. It's really making me itch. Okay, chat. Chat.